Lenhlangano ithi umthetho wezokhetho uphoselwe inselelo enkantolo ngenxa yokuthi wawungavumeli abantu baseningizimu Afrika ukuthi bazikhethele ngokwabo umuntu ozobamela eParliament.
We hope that we'll get justice from the Constitutional Court. We believe the only way that we're going to see justice in this nation, that this bill gets tested by the Constitutional Court, that all of us know that there's credit.
Oliwe Build One South Africa uMosimayimane uthi wabhalisa inhlangano yakhe njengeqembu lezombusazwe ngoba ibona ukuthi umthetho ungase ungabanikeza abahola bazimele ithuba elifanayo.
I would have wanted for as many South Africans to be able to get direct representation as possible. And it's that reason I've always fought for. I've always equally so fought for even the direct election of the president. It's not, South Africa is unique in this regard, in that when you look at the rest of Africa, people are directly voting for their president.
Umayimane uthi uma amandla engabuyiselwa kubantu uma kuza kwezokhetho, inkohlakalo isazoqhubeka nokudla lubi.